Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unwrap this. These are the 5 pieces of trunk hatch, liftgate switch latch, button rubberized material. So first I was looking on eBay. One of it was like $5.99. So imagine $6 times 5 pieces, that's like $30. So I didn't know the same seller selling the same with the 5 piece in quantity. So at first I put like $5 and the seller did not accept it for that 1 piece. So lucky I went to his store and then looked around and I saw this. So I didn't want to put in any offer, so I purchased $16.95. Free shipping plus tax. So the total damage is like $18.43. So if you own like a LEXUS or a Toyota, normally the trunk button will be like melted, like a nasty glue or something, turn into like a soft glue. And every time when you try to open your trunk, your fingers will have black sticky stuff, and it is pretty hard to wash it off. So yeah, my second generation Prius, it does that. And I believe the same year, 2007 LEXUS GS350, it also does that. So anyway, let's go and then open this up and see what's it look like. By the way, this comes with the 2 at the Phillips screw with the special angle tool, the 90-degree angle tool. Because with the regular screwdriver, it might be a bad angle to remove it. So let's go ahead and open this up. Wow, 5 individual. Maybe the seller pre-packed it already, so it's easier to, or faster to ship it out whenever he gets an order. Anyway, I'm just gonna open one. So you come with the 2 of these black screws. And this is the Phillips and flathead. So you can turn it like this way. Or loosen it up. So this is the rubber piece right here. So you gotta see which one is the front or go toward the back and the front, because this one has more spacing right here than this side. So I would think you need to look at the old one. Probably this side toward the back. Yeah, so let's go out there and fix the one that is melted or broken. It says Toyota and LEXUS when I bought this, so hopefully it's the same size fit.
What games have you been playing? Joseph L. I'm seeing it. Still playing ring?
I'm still playing ring.
What? Oh, this thing's so tight. So unfortunately, the tool that came with the junk, the bit, is different. So I don't want to strip it. So I'm going to use a different bit. I got many different bits right here. Let me show you push in, but I'll show you turn it. Oh, nice. What? No way. Make sure you don't strip. The ankle, got it? What's wrong with this thing? Keep on. See?
That's kind of odd.
Okay, screw. That's so tight. Got the ankle that thing is. Go. Is it?
It looks like it fits.
Is it? Go ahead. Should matches. Yeah. Yeah. This is gonna exactly fit. You just put it over. Get the glue out. What's that guy doing?
I mean, if it works.
I wanna just stretch not to be too sticky. See, right now it's kind of sticky.
This is gone.
And that's like pry this thing out. Now sticky. See? You think that would cause the
Quick.
button not working right? It's so sticky.
It's years and years.
Yeah.
Oh?
Huh?
It looks like it's coming out.
Yeah? it's super sticky.
I hear clicking.
Yeah. You're supposed to hear the click like that. Switch might be different.
I see the spring.
Yeah. I just want to make sure it's cookie free, that doesn't get stuck. And I'm just going to put it over it. Because this button might fall out until I pry out everything.
Yeah, I know. I mean, it won't be stuck anymore.
Alright, so now I'm just going to put it over it. Well, I can't even see, dude. Maybe focus the house instead. So I'm going to put this over it. Alright, so with those glue, I'm gonna clean with the glue gun. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. I always peace.